Hi everybody, I'm doing a review on my the barrel's 6 inches airsoft gun. It's a revolver, as you can see. Nice. I got it off of airsoft stations for $26. There it is, like fully. Yeah. Bam. Face. Okay. Well, I would recommend this gun to anybody that's kind of like a backyarder. This would not be good for long combat. This thing can shoot up to about 200 feet, 200 FPS without, well, maybe like 10 to 15 feet without curving, but like, yeah, 200 feet at the most that, like, it curves. Like, so these little shells, you can put the BBs in. You don't know, only one bullet fits in, but you have to, like, you can't even put it in all the way. It has to, like, stick right there. And there goes all my shells. I'm gonna show you how to. Okay. Hey. Okay. I'm gonna put it in. There goes them. Okay, well, I'm gonna curve it up. I don't even know which one I'm putting them in randomly. I didn't get that one, did I? Did I get it? I got it. Oh my gosh. I got that one. It's over here. Okay, got it. There goes that one. There goes that one. That one's on the floor. I have an extra. I have 2 extra. Yeah, screw this! Alright, well, yeah. Other than that, well, this gun's about a, like, 9 out of 10. I would rate this gun maybe 7. That's not bad. Like, there's like cool check on there. Bam! Kiss. So yeah, thanks for watching.